how's it going? Today, I'm going to be bringing you guys my entire autumn wardrobe. Yes, t-shirts, accessories, and my friggin' sweaters. I love texture, I love color, and that's something you guys are going to be seeing in this video. I feel like it's curated to a place where it's just absolutely magical and amazing, and I love it so much. And I know that my style can be a little out there sometimes, but who cares? It just makes everything so much more fun. I don't know, I've just been thinking about making this video every season, so if you want to see that, just give this video a little like so that I know that you actually enjoyed it, and also leave me a comment down below, because I always love chatting with you guys. But this is the first time that you're seeing my channel and my face, just hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified for whenever I upload. But yes, without further ado, let's dig into my wardrobe. We're starting from head to toe with my hats. I don't have that many just yet, but I do enjoy the ones I've managed to collect. They're fun and cozy, and they're definitely the cherry on top to most of my autumnal outfits. Now onto my t-shirts. I wear them almost every single day, and I must admit that for the most part, I have a lot of white graphic tees because they're so easy to style with my more colorful pieces, but I do want to venture out into some colorful ones too. I've got band tees, vintage tees, tees that I stole from my brother growing up, and I just think they're the perfect little glimpse into my personality, so I wear them very often. I also own a couple of cropped collar tees for a more preppy vibe. And of course, I couldn't not include my striped tees. Depending on the color and style, they can either make you look like a kid gonna watch a Little League game, or like you're going for a more Parisian vibe. For dressier occasions, I've got my dressy blouses. Most of the ones I own are either vintage or from sustainable brands that I've been enjoying. I definitely like to go for a more Little House on the Prairie vibe for my romantic novel daydream moments. Look at you in that turtleneck, you layering queen. Yes, turtlenecks are a huge part of my closet, so I've been collecting them in every color of the rainbow. And why not? They're my escape from wearing t-shirts all the time. Cue sweater weather by the neighborhood because it's sweater time. I love my sweaters the most. They are hands down my favorite thing to thrift because they're all so unique and come in different textures and colors. Of course, my favorite that I own are vintage. In fact, I think most of them are. Yes. I do have a couple sweatshirts that I've recently started collecting to give my outfits a more sporty, casual vibe. Started from the bottom and now we're here, woo! I remember for the longest time, I would wear the same jeans almost every single day. And while that's cool and all, I got real bored real fast. Usually good quality pants cost a ton of money, but if you're a persistent thrifter, you will be able to find some gems for a huge fraction of the cost. So don't give up, friends. I promise it's coming for you. Also, all completely thrifted are my belts. Am I the only one that gets really weird about empty belt loops? I don't know. I recently started to keep my eye out for them at thrift stores because you can really find some fun vintage ones there. Now for pants sassier sister, the skirt. I wear mostly A-line ones because I find them to be the most flattering while also having a modern silhouette. You know, just trying to counteract all the vintage I wear somehow. And then I also have my one and only maxi skirt for autumn. Now let's show some overall enthusiasm for my overalls and dresses. Yes, my love for overalls is an all year round thing. When it gets cold, I just layer them with some tights under for warmth, and they look super cute layered with turtlenecks too. I've also got some overall dresses because autumn is pretty much the last time I'll be able to show any leg till next May, so there's that. I don't have that many dresses to wear for fall, but the ones I do have, I mostly wear to layer. Slips are perfect for turtlenecks, but I do own a couple dresses with sleeves too. Just what you've been dreaming, love, and you will find that it's just what you've been dreaming. I've got a confession to make. I don't wear heels often. So all you'll be seeing in my small yet ever-growing shoe collection are Oxfords, booties, sneakers, some more booties, and more sneakers. Always had a dream, but you've been afraid that it would not come true. In love too. Oh yeah, and a pair of rain boots because it's been raining so much lately. But now let's talk about my bags. For the most part, I like to use my trusty backpacks to lug around all of my work stuff, but for special occasions, I do have a couple of handbags to get me around too. Some are currently stored away, but these are a few that I have out and about. Let's go all out for my outerwear, and you guessed it, all of them, with the exception of one, are thrifted. I like them colorful like the rest of my wardrobe, but I do take a liking to a more boxy fit for these. You know, something a bit more casual and relaxed. And that's it, y'all. That's my entire autumn wardrobe. It took me a really long time to put all this stuff on my body, so I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!